Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change font size in WhatsApp for Windows. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to search for WhatsApp and you need to log in with QR code in your WhatsApp. So here you can see I already logged in. Then you simply need to click on this gear icon and here you need to click on personalization. Scroll down and here you can see text size. So you can use control plus and minus to increase or decrease your text size. So if you want to change from here, you simply need to click on this arrow and you can see different size. So I'm going to select 150. Okay, so now you can see that the size is much bigger. And if you want to make it smaller, so here you can see that it is now you can see that it is a bit small size. So this is the process by which you can change font size in WhatsApp for Windows. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.